What if I told you there's something missing from your Volvo? Something that was designed to be there, but never made it into the final assembly. A small detail that V70 and XC70 08 to 16 might already have, but yours might not. And the best part? It's an easy and quick fix. You just need to bring it to life. And I'm talking about the interior handle light. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. And they're easy to install, and now I'm going to show you how.
So first we need to remove the door panel. And we start that by removing this small speaker. To remove it, you can lower the window and pull on this edge here, and you can also use a trim tool like this one and pry on the inside. You can see it's just these two blue clips that holds this in place. And that will do, and we can leave that one here. Then under here is a small cover you can easily remove with a trim tool by lifting it from the bottom. And now you can see two Torx 25 screws that we can remove. And once they've been removed, take the trim tool and carefully push it between the door panel and the door and pry them apart. There are clips all the way around the panel that should come loose. And now you can lift up the door panel. And finally, disconnect all of the connectors. This green one, this blue one, and the one for the speaker. And then finally the mechanism for the door handle, and just pull that one straight out. And now with the door panel loose, you can see that Volvo has already fitted a prism for a light, but there's no bulb, so it doesn't do anything. If yours already looks like this, then you need to only buy the light kit. But if you have a black prism here, then you need to buy the light kit and the clear prisms like this. And the link for both are in the description. It's very easy to change the prism, you just pull them out like this. They have a hole where the light should go, but as you can see there's no light or wire in the door, so I'll show you how to fit that soon. So here's the small light that comes with the kit and also two quick splice connectors. In this door, we'll take the power from the green connector. So with the flat side facing up, we'll connect the plus to the wire on the left. This one is purple, but the colors may vary. Put the splice connector around it and just push in the red wire. And then squeeze it together. Close it up and that one's done. And now for the black wire, connect that one to the right side in exactly the same way. Okay, that's all done. Now we can put back the door panel. First we put a new light into the prism of the door handle. It should click in place. Try to put the wire somewhere tidy and avoid putting it too close to the screw holes where it can get squashed. There's lots of space up here. Put back all the connectors. And the door handle mechanism, just push that one back in. Push back the little speaker. Put back the screws and the cover. To push back the clips in the door panel, just give it a few gentle taps all the way around the outside like this. And now it's all back.
And a good thing to remember is that the connector needs to be plugged in and the ignition needs to be on for these to work. But before we test them, I'm going to show you how to do it in the back, because that's a little bit different.
Removing the door panel is exactly the same way as in the front, but there's only one screw in the back door. So we'll remove the connectors here. If you have a black connector like this one, you need to check the colors of the wires. And this is the back left door, so you need to connect the blue and black wire to plus. And then the black one connects to the grey and brown wire like this. But if you have a blue connector like this one, the colors are not the same. With the flat side of the connector facing up, use the left wire, which here is purple, to connect the black minus wire. The red plus wire connects to the green on the right.
So now I'm going to put this one back and I'm going to show you how to connect it on the right side of the rear. Because if you have these black connectors, there's different colors on those cables.
Okay, so here in the right back side, you connect the red one to the blue-green wire. And then you connect the black to the purple and red wire.
So on this front right one, it's exactly the same as on the left one. And after I've connected this, we're gonna see how it looks. So now it's installed on all 4 doors and it is a really nice detail on the car. And if you want to see another video from us, click up here.